Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is subtracting the following. And we have to subtract 2,488,247 from 3,647,049. Write this 3,647,049 minus 2,488,247. Do this subtraction. 9 minus 7 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now here 0 minus 2 is not possible. So we borrowed from thousands place. That is that 7 will convert it to 6 and that 0 will convert it to 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Again 6 minus 8 is not possible. So we borrowed from 10,000s place. So that will convert it to 3 and that 6 will convert it to 16. So 16 minus 8 is 8. Again 3 minus 8 is not possible. So we borrowed from here. So that 6 will convert it to 5 and 3 will convert it to 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. Here 5 minus 4 is 1 and 3 minus 2 is 1. Hence 3,647,049 minus 2,488,247 equals to 1,158,802.